I recorded a video recently which showed you how to implement various items of data inside a document using what's called the quick parts, and then allowing Power Automate to hook into that data and do particular things as a productivity hack, as a shortcut, as a reminder. But one of the things I did mention in that video that I'd like to clarify for you now is how you set up some of the pieces of data inside a document that may not exist already. So if you look here, I've got a very simple out-of-the-box document library with a document in it that I've just added. It's really just got the basic out-of-the-box columns, and if you were to look at all the columns that are available in this document library, there'd be pretty much all the generic ones you expect to see. Notice in this example I'm going to share with you there isn't an expiry date column. So if I open this document now, and we'll go into the desktop version of Word purely because it's easy for me to demonstrate there. Let's just open that up for you. We can, as we showed in the video, start to insert pieces of information that reside with the document as metadata that can be used by Power Automate. And when you look at the document properties, we have some pretty generalized and generic pieces of information. So in the video, I showed myself selecting what's called an expiry date. Well, how did I get that there? A correction on the video, that's not a generic piece of information out of the box with Word. So just to show you how that came about, I simply added a column. It's a date and time column into my document library. We'll give it a name. I won't bother about all the extras. We'll just add it as a column. And now, so long as I've closed that editable version down, so I'm getting a brand new version here, I'll restart it, and again, I'll load in the desktop. What I will see in the quick parts is that extra piece of information that I can now exploit. And that's how I got the expiry date. So I can pop it in there and I can put it wherever I want, as I showed you in the video. But just to clarify, that's how it comes about. But these are really useful extra bits of information that exist both inside your document, but also within the columns and the data inside SharePoint. One final clarification, let me just show you what happens when I update that piece of information in the document itself. So I'm back in the file, I'm going to set the expiry date to the 16th of the 10th. It's auto save on, I'll just close out of that and we'll go back to SharePoint. We'll give SharePoint a quick refresh. And we'll see we've got that correlation, that visual correlation between data in my Word document and data in a column. So that in itself may be something useful for you to quickly scan documents, but equally the most important thing is that piece of data can now be used by Power Automate to set reminders. So I hope that clears it up for you, and do come back and like and subscribe and check the other videos that I will be posting in the coming weeks. Take care now.